Hi, I'm Jess from Crewe Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have the gorgeous Audi A3 Saloon Edition 1 35 TDI with 150 PS, finished in the beautiful Python yellow metallic, complemented with its gorgeous 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid style design alloy wheels and red calipers, LED headlights and LED rear lights which are really illuminating, and enough room inside the boot for 4 adult-sized suitcases to be placed in. The rear interior is finished in the half-leather, half-Alcantara Valcona with ICE-fixed outer rear seats, beautiful inlays throughout the front, and of course the S-embossed front sport seats. The Bang & Olufsen premium sound system creates great quality audio, and the steering wheel features the virtual cockpit controls and hands-free telephone controls. Using the left-hand side controls, this allows the driver to easily customise the different displays on their virtual cockpit. Over to the multimedia, this is fitted with the DAB and FM radio stations, providing you with a larger variety, and you can also connect your smartphone via the Bluetooth for the use of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Over to the car settings, we've got the Audi Drive Select, allowing you to adjust from efficiency up to dynamic, as well as individually adjusting the drive system and steering. The driver's assist comes with speed warning, Audi Presense, hazard alerts and lots more, and with this being touchscreen, the satellite navigation system is extremely easy to use, allowing you to easily zoom in and out of the maps, and it provides you with quick and easy 8-spirit guidance. An optional extra on the vehicle is a rear view camera, which provides great visibility behind the vehicle, and front and rear parking sensors are there to alert you. The front seats are also heated as part of the optional extras. We've got the 2 USB-C ports, as well as the electronic handbrake, 2 cup holders and storage underneath the armrest.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance, and for more information call us today on 01270 507070 or inquire online now.